When Rastas and Christians gonna come together, we need to put our difference aside and link up. When JLP and PNP gonna come together, you need to put your difference aside and link up. When the garrisons gonna come together, you need to put your difference aside and link up. When all the dancehall artists and the reggae artists who calling themselves messengers and advocates of God and righteousness, when are you gonna come together? Remember, a nation that divided among themselves is a fall nation. I am calling for this unity because unity is strength. Together we stand strong. United we stand. Divided we fall. And if anyone out there disagree with what I am saying, my question is that the way you love your children, and all the offsprings to come? Let's do this for the betterment of our children. You really would like to see your children and I children and all of us children come and live the way we are living, like puss and dogs. You really want that for your children? I don't really think so. Think about it. I think the time is now. Because every time when I look around me in the internet and all over, I see that we are so divided and we are so up in each other's faces and disrespecting each other. No love among us. We are so divided. Rasta is on this hand burning the fire. But in the same breath, they might burn out Christianity. Christian is on the other side burning their fire. And in the same breath, them burning out Rastas. The garrison there, I fire back at that garrison, and that garrison firing back at that garrison. The artists them now link up and live good, who claim that they are the messenger of God and standing up for righteousness. I don't see where none of them stand up for the righteousness in this. All the people out there who's calling for unity, I'm with you. Let's link up. Yeah, all of us have to link up. All of us have to link up. This is my message to you, my people. Don't take no offense because I know black people are some of the most, what I call emotional people. Very thin skin. Always missing the point because they might hear one word that they don't like, so they get into their feelings. You need to control your emotion, black people. Control your emotion. Let us throw ignorance aside and do this for the betterment of us and our children to come. Rastafari, one love. Me, Shocking Morris said that.